Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To repair a leaky air conditioner, first, identify the source of the leak. If it's from the condensate line, clear any blockages with a wet, dry vacuum or a plumber's snake. Ensure the drain pan isn't cracked or rusted. Replace it if necessary. Check the air filter. A clogged filter can block airflow, causing the coils to freeze and leak when they melt. Lastly, inspect the refrigerant levels. Low levels can also cause freezing and subsequent leaking. It's recommended to consult with a professional for refrigerant issues or if the problem persists after addressing potential causes.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.